Log into usBIM. Upload the file of interest into a folder you created in usBIM. Open the file with usBIM.browser. Select the usBIM.codesign AI plugin. Click the plus button to capture a screenshot of the view. Assign a title to the image. Select a proposal mode. Set the image style. Set the type of lighting. Click on Generate New Image. Compare the generated image with the original image. View the final image in full screen or compare it with the original. Create a new screenshot by clicking the plus command. In Style Settings, select Import Style from Reference Image. Upload the reference image. Enter additional instructions and click on Generate New Image. See the comparison between the initial image and the created image. Choose the option to generate an image from a sketch. Select the image style and lighting. Click on Generate New Image. See the comparison between the initial image and the created image. Click on Customize. With the brush tool, select an area of interest where you want to make changes. Enter customization prompts and then generate the new image. Click on Enhance High Quality. Select the creativity type. Select the image quality. Click on Generate New Image. Use artificial intelligence to furnish the room by selecting the type of environment. Select the style and lighting. Click on Generate New Image. Compare the furnished room with the empty one. You can also rename, download, save in usBIM.codesign, or delete the images.